Hello everyone, welcome to the data analysis with Python training program. Now I am going to discuss about the training overview. Please don't skip this video as I am going to cover the whole roadmap of the training program which we are going to cover in the upcoming 10 days. Here is the table of content which I am going to discuss today. The first one is course overview, second is software required for the training program, third one is requirements for training, fourth one is who can participate in the training program, and fifth one is resources which you will be getting during the training program. The last one will be the merit certification, means how you are going to get the merit certification. So let's consider course overview. In this training program, we are going to cover 9 modules. Introduction to data analysis, Python basics, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, case study of data analysis, analysis on IPL dataset, and the last one will be analysis on COVID-19 dataset. Now I am going to discuss the course overview in brief. In the first module, Introduction to Data Analysis, we are going to learn what is data analysis, why to learn data analysis, what are the scopes of data analysis, and the last one will be processes involved in data analysis. In this module, Python Basics, we are going to cover about the Python Basics, input function, print function, list, dictionary, tuple, operators, while loop, for loop, and Python statements. Basically, we are going to touch only those sections which we are going to use in this training program. We are not going to cover the whole Python programming. In third module, we are going to learn about NumPy library. Here we will study introduction to NumPy, NumPy array, using built-in functions of NumPy, ND array, and operations on ND array, and then we will cover the arithmetic operations on ND array. In fourth module, we will learn about Pandas library. Here we will consider introduction to Pandas, Pandas series, operations on Pandas series, Pandas data frames, and then operation on Pandas data frame. In the fifth module, we will cover about Matplotlib. Here we will understand introduction to Matplotlib, KD data, bar charts, counting missing data, pie chart, histograms, figures, axes, subplots, scales and transformation. Basically, in this module, we are going to learn the visualization of data using Python. In the sixth module, we will cover about Seaborn. Here we will understand introduction to Seaborn, scatter plots and correlation, heat maps, box plots, clustered bar charts, line plots. Here basically we are going to learn about the visualization of data and their comparisons using graphs. Within sixth module, we will cover all the theoretical sections. So in the seventh module, we will learn about case study. Here we will understand about the data set, goals of analysis, exploratory data analysis. Then we will also consider analysis approach, means how to proceed for the analysis. In this module, we are going to practice all the concepts which we will learn during the training program. Here we will practice on IPL dataset. We will practice over analysis such as batsman versus bowler analysis, team versus other team analysis, particular bowler analysis, particular batsman performance analysis, and we will also cover on toss analysis, means what are the probability that a team is going to win the toss today. In the last module, we will practice over COVID-19 dataset. Here we will consider two datasets. One will be of COVID-19 dataset of India and another one will be COVID-19 dataset of world. I will be providing all the data required for the analysis. Now I am going to discuss about the second thing, that one is software required for this training program. Here we will require two softwares, Python 3 and Anaconda, and third one will be different Python libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib and Seaborn. I have already mentioned all the links required for downloading and installation of these softwares in the Google Classroom. So follow the link and documentation so that you can get all these softwares in your system before the training. Now I am going to cover the requirements for this training. In this training program, no programming knowledge required. We are going to cover all the things. You need not to be intelligent in mathematics. BA will also cover all the things which will be required. You need only just a laptop, tablet or mobile phone with internet connection so that you can access the course material. And the last important thing required for this training is the enthusiasm to learn new technology and skills so that you can motivate yourself for this training. Now I am going to discuss who can participate in this training program. College students who have no skills in Python as well as no idea about data analysis, they can also participate. Students who have few or basic knowledge in this field, they can also participate. Any person who want to explore new skills as data analysis with Python, they are most welcome. This training drive only covers basic of data analysis. So it's not suitable for the data analysis expert or the data scientist expert. Now I am going to discuss about the resources you are going to get during the training program. You will be getting video lectures, doubt chat room facilities, live sessions on YouTube, notes and all the raw materials which will be required for this training program such as datasets and the Jupyter files which we will practicing during the training. Now I am going to discuss about the last thing, that one is merit certification. For merit certification, you will be required to achieve at least 60% during the training program. The weightage for the calculation will be Q's weightage as 20%, assignment weightage will be 15%, project weightage will be 15%, and the final exam weightage will be 50%. So aggregate you will have to score minimum 60% to get the merit certification. All the participants who have participated in this training will get the participation certificate without any examination. I have covered all the roadmaps of this training program. Now it's time to end this video. So join the Google Classroom and Doubt Chat Room as soon as possible, as you are going to get the videos lectures from 25th April in two sessions. Morning session will be at 11 a.m. and evening session will be at 8 p.m. So join the classroom fast. Now it's time to end. So thank you. See you all in the training program.